What's the matter with the blood clot, please? That me a call man in now, you see. Yeah! Oh, blood!
What's up guys, it's your girl Kayla and I'm back with another video. Guys, today I go prank Wayne. Wayne in the bathroom, I go wash him hair. So I say I go prank him. I do the shampoo prank for him. So while I wash him hair and rinse it, I keep on add shampoo in there. So just a soda now come out guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna just do that. So if I get him pissed off, I know him love going the most. Yeah guys, so anyways, like this video guys, comment, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, like our Facebook page, go and subscribe to like Wayne and Kayla, our next channel everybody. Yeah,
a few moments later.
Alright guys, we got people
Can I shampoo is Kayla, boy? Fuck ka po nila. Kamaya yung cook. You can make it full of soda now. Okay, I'm put my blood clot. You fucking sitting there, man. I don't know, some soap. Soap already? Blood clot, I want you. So you bomb the class of the office, so you can I look at that sign with you. I'm not sure you have come jumping this man. Watch out, he's going to laugh, yes. Oh, my God, kung pa nawata man. Available na. Oh my blood, yo, I'll me watch this disconnected, yo. Wash out, yes. What the fuck you want us? Oh my blood, Kayla! Kayla! Saya lupa ia dapat emosi yang akal ni man. Yang pun emosi. Kayla. Kombo. Pussy clock man. Jangan buat dia macam macam bombo clock cuma much. Bombo clock cuma mana fucking barbershop. How long me wash out the fucking shit, man? We don't say fucking water once to but you must set that in a bed, could it? Come on, Lord. I'm a figure, but me I can't put no fucking yard. My bathroom full of stuff, you fuck. You can't go in here. Kayla! That's all the idiot people pass me towel and yo, you can't burn the film sometimes, see man. Yeah. I don't want to make body to pick up on mistakes. One time I speak like me figure age just one time I say me not gonna age just to blood clot. Oh man. It's not like a bumbo clot. Kayla! Kayla! I'm not to blood class and gone man. What's the matter with a blood clot, please? That me a call man in arm, you see. Kayla! Blood! Kayla man, don't me say you do yourself foolish man. Kayla man!
Yeah, what? You play it? Come on, sir.
Kayla play sit down with me and me here man. Look how let him pass my towel. Look how let me call put pass my towel. Call me and watch my face in hand.
So Ian, that time I don't look at curtains, so today, but guess what? I know see I can't boost, so you can't see the light, you can't see nothing, you can't see nothing. That's why I keep on put some points here, I can't boost, you can't see. Who that team? Which team?
Man, what is my look at the ball for the water man? I'm not sure what I did in the Kayla.
Which team?
Yo,
Which team?
your shampoo, give me this.
Which team?
No, I'm not clear with palm again.
Which team? Count. Team Kayla.
Yo, you shampoo bitter and I'm more this not even in the Kayla.
Gosh.
Yo, go put on that and come wash up me, man.
Say what? Wait, which team is it?
Kayla, stop. Me a ring sound here, I don't bother with that. Please.
Which team?
Team Kayla.
Hey.
People, you see a little bit of wicked.
More than you?
Kayla, me a ring sound me and don't do for free, please, please. I'm not sure how watching you. If you have to wait up, I'm going to tell you. You need to shampoo your Kayla. I'm water around me. I don't like my hair, you know. You see the start burning again, you know. B, please me a beg. Where can the shampoo there? You keep it on me, you know. You know, I'm more shampoo than this there.
Alright. We're done with it. We're done, B. I'm done.
Okay, I fuck with this, I go on with no beef.
We're done.
I mean, yeah, them did a burn me like paper to pussy cloud. Yeah, you have to go blow dry me here for me, you know. Kayla, stop! Yo, Kayla! Kayla! I see him. I don't know if I rinse me, I go rinse me ear. I'm not a condition.
Who for team?
Team Kayla, I'm saying, you're deaf. Team Kayla.
Say it again.
Team Kayla, every day, all day.
Where's shampoo buckle?
Period.
Where's shampoo buckle?
Large, Kayla.
Wait, Mr. Where's shampoo buckle? Where's shampoo buckle?
Kayla, you can't see it a big.
Passy.
No.
Give me that.
No.
Yeah, now we make water get me shampoo. Give me.
You don't like water to go in.
Pass it, wait.
You don't pass it.
Alright, no go for some fab soap.
Hey. Me, but please, Kayla, no bother with that.
Me not put them on system. Me not put them on you.
Watch out, please. One buckle and look. Put the money like that top. That's over me.
Oh. Rinse your ear, B. Rinse it.
Me, pass. Me, stop it.
You want to rinse your ear. And so on, just rinse it.
Kayla! Yo! Kayla, stop no man you would. Kayla, no, you have to stop me. One bottle of shampoo them, Kayla. I say, I'm just there because I say, I'm Kayla for buy this shampoo that we can't wash out. And it's a bun in a minute.
be shampoo with that for wash out it. Come spray enough in there for wash out it.
Kayla, look how smear to me, my
Let
girl.
me just spray some here for wash out it.
I'm bubble out, fella. You just got a ball of a trim, no man.
Go and go trim. Mwah!
Yeah, wash your
Love
ear.
ya. Okay.
Yeah, wash your ear the other day. I'm not even do nothing to you, Kayla. Stop this,
Team
man.
Kayla, everybody. Guys, yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow us on all our socials. Team Kayla all day, every day, period, guys. Yeah. So, I'm gonna get some Team Kayla, everything that prank are epic. Yeah, guys. So, until next time.
You're not watching ear to
Until
ear,
next
right?
time, come. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye.